So guys, somebody sent me a video of somebody with a pickup truck on the top by itself on a wedge trailer. Super dangerous, super risky. And I was able to see the DOT number, so I'm gonna call them and see what they say. I don't know what their reaction is gonna be, but this is the company right here. It's JPC Auto Transport, and they're out of Gibson, Florida. So let's give them a buzz, see what they say. Phone number's out of Florida.
Hello.
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 Yes. Hey. Are you the transporter, JPC?
Yes, I'm the transporter.
Okay. Do you have a driver or do you drive yourself?
I drive myself.
Okay. Hey man, be very careful, dude. You have that one truck on the top by itself.
The what?
You have that one truck on the top of your truck by itself on your trailer, your wedge trailer.
Well, what are you talking about? I don't understand what you're trying to tell me.
Okay, so you're driving on the highway with only one car on the top of your trailer, one pickup truck.
Yes, what happened?
So I'm a transporter too. I'm just letting you know, be careful doing that. I've had like 30 friends that flipped over because of exactly what you did.
That I have one car and you flip over with one car?
Yeah. You're not supposed to have one car on the top.
Okay. No problem.
Did you know that or no?
No, I didn't know that.
Yeah, so if you have one car on the top, you know, it's like what's easier to flip over, a minivan driving or a Corvette? You know, a minivan is easier because it's taller. So you have that one vehicle all the way in the top, that's going to be easier to flip over. If you're driving with just one car, you got to put that car in the back, dude. You got to put it in the middle.
Okay. How you got my number, my man?
Like I said, I'm a transporter. I have your DOT, so I searched you up on Safer website, and I got your number. I'm trying to help you. I'm not trying to be an a-hole, bro, you know?
No, it's okay.
I don't know.
Well, let me let you go because I'm dropping off this car now, okay? Thank you very much, anyway.
All right.
Okay.
So there it is, guys. I tried. I mean, he's an owner operator, so let's see here. It looks like he started, his DOT is a new number. You know, it starts with a 33. It says his form date was I'll have to check his insurance to see here. Let me see. So if you click where it says click here, and then we're gonna search his DOT through the insurance. All right, so here it is. So we click right here on the HTML on this corner. I think you click here, yeah. So we open this up. I think we go in insurance history. Is it insurance history? Active pending. It's one of these ones. It'll tell you when he started. So I believe he started right here in, yeah, the effective date was right there last year. So February of last year is when he started. So yeah, he's a new guy, rookie. Says he doesn't know, but guarantee you in the near future we'll catch him doing this again, most likely. So that's why these guys bite the dust, you know. You call them, you tell them what's going on, and they still don't care. They don't do crap, but I did my part, guys, right? That's all I can say. I did my part. I called them. Most guys would not do what I just did. I was hoping it was an employee, man. I'm being honest. I was hoping it was an employee and that the owner would say, thanks, man, let me call my driver. He's an idiot. I trained him correctly. But no. The owner is, unfortunately, you know, I don't want to call him an idiot because maybe he's just ignorant, meaning that he doesn't know better. He didn't know. Honestly, he didn't know, but he didn't sound like a kid, right? He didn't sound like an 18-year-old. So, I mean, if you're 30, 40 years old, what is easier to flip over, a Corvette or a high-top van when you're driving on the highway at, 70 miles an hour and you make a turn? Obviously, minivan, right? So what do you think happens when you have your load all the way on the top of the trailer with nothing that's sitting low? So that's called low center of gravity. If you don't have that, you're gonna flip over. Sounds like common sense, but I guess it's not that common out here. That's why maybe, there should be some training, which AKA kind of like a CDL, but CDLs, they don't train you on that, unfortunately. But there should be some kind of training to do these kind of things. Just like for you to be an electrician, you gotta have training. For you to be, a plumber, for you to cut hair, man. Cut hair, right? There's nothing really involved to it. What's the big deal about cutting hair? You gotta have a license. You gotta go to school for so long. For you to do nails, man, like my little sister does nails, you gotta have a license. So for you to haul cars, man, unfortunately, I made a lot of mistakes, thank God. I never killed anyone, no accidents, nothing. But I've seen a lot of guys have accidents, and maybe we gotta have some kind of training, a certification that you gotta pass, so that way we know that people are safe out there. Because remember, your mom, your dad, your sister, your brother drives on the same highway as I do and as these guys do. So do you really want these idiots, doing this on the same highway? That car comes off that trailer, lands on top of your family's car. Your mentality, your mindset, whatever you just commented below there, maybe talking crap, you just probably rechanged all that thinking right now if that car flipped over and killed your family. So, there it is, guys. Let's try to be safe out there. I try to talk about this all the time. I hammer down on this every single week on my Instagram, on my stories. I talk about this every single week, and people still do this incorrectly. So I'm gonna keep doing it. It's my nature. It's how I am. I'm gonna keep talking about it, keep exposing a few of these guys, and maybe maybe people stop doing this. So like, share, subscribe, share this video, guys. Let's share this to your friends, to your car haulers. Forget about this video becoming popular or whatever. I really don't even care about that. Share this to your friends, man, that actually are out there car hauling, because this could possibly save their business. You flip over, your business is done. Your insurance is gonna cancel on you. They're not gonna renew on you, and that's it. Your business is done. Your buddy's business is done. Maybe your husband is car hauling out there, so share this with your husband, with your cousin, whoever's out there car hauling that whoever's out there hauling freight, Hotshot, CDL, non-CDL, whatever it is. Let's get this information out there, because guys, I've had a lot of friends, a lot. I've had more than 30 friends that this year alone, I've had maybe 5 or 6 friends already flip over. And that's insane. Like, people that know me, that see me talking about this. And it's a mixture of a couple different things, so I'm not gonna get all the way into it and make this video too long. But anyways, guys, see you guys later. Peace.